Hey Queens, how are you today? If this is your first time here, thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Lakendra and the name of my channel is All Things Lux, a channel dedicated to fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And for my returning Queens, Lux fam, thanks so much for tuning back in. I really appreciate it. So, what am I talking about today? So today is the second part of my Louis Vuitton luxury haul. If this is something that interests you, please stay tuned. All right, ladies, so let's just get back into this. I know you guys just want to see what I got, and I'm excited to share what I got. So, the first thing I got, let's start with something small. There has been these sunglasses that I have been looking at and lusting over for several months. They've always been sold out online. When I was in the boutique the last time, they were sold out. They said they did not have them. So when I was in there this time, they did. So I was like, oh my gosh, let me see. So in my shopping vlog, I tried on 2 pairs because another pair stood out to me, but I chose, here's the box. Okay, let's take this on. They come out just like the shoes do, really cute. Okay, let's take this out. It has a little care booklet that's really big and thick. Here's the box. Okay, it says Louis Vuitton on it. Open up this box and there is the sunglasses in this cute little sunglass case. Look at that. This feels really nice. What I did notice about these sunglasses is it did not come with a cloth to wipe them off. So I don't know if they don't give you one or if he forgot to put one in my box or what, but I did not get a cleaning cloth. But these are it. Make sure you can see them. Can you see that? Okay. What I liked about these is they had monogramming on the sides. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. I love the hardware on them. I love the gold hardware. And on the sides it says Louis Vuitton. Can you see that? So, something I learned about these. Okay, so first, let me tell you what they're called. They are called In the Mood for Love sunglasses. Okay? So, online, they come in 2 different sizes, and I just learned what that means. He kind of shared it with me. So, they come in E and also W. So how he explained it is is on what geographic area you're from. So in trying to explain it like he explained it. So in the part here, okay, the bridge of the nose, the W is going to be like wider for nationalities who have a wide like bridge here, okay, and that's how he explained it. And E is for a smaller nose bridge. I have the E's. I would have never known that until he explained it. I tried them on. They looked cute, I thought. I didn't notice if they were any bigger or if they were any narrow here, but he said that's what that means on the different sizes. I've already worn these, and what do I think about them? I think that they are heavy. Heavy. I will put them on. They are very heavy, but I like them. I was constantly kind of raising them up, well, but I kind of have that problem with a lot of sunglasses. My most favorite pair right now are my Tom Fords. They feel like I don't have anything on my face. They're so comfortable. I really, really, really like those. But I do like these. It'll just take some getting used to, and also the bridge of my nose, because they are a little heavy. But I do like them, so they are a keeper. All right, so next. Now, we're not at all reasonable. Not at all. The price for these was, come on. Sorry, I'm trying to get my phone. $6.90. Okay. So, not really affordable, but I wanted them, so I got them. Next. The next largest thing, I tried on shoes. There was sandals that I wanted, and I picked these. Comfortable, beautiful flats. Now, if you saw my video a few videos back, I did my new sandal requirements or collections, and these was in that video. But I really like these. I think they're very cute and dainty, and these are called the Lock It Down flats, I think. Lock it down or something like that. I took my normal size, which is a 39, and they fit perfect. If I had like gone up a size, because he did bring another size out, they were too wide right here. So I stuck with my normal size of 39. What do you guys think of these? I think they're very, very cute. Okay. Okay. Now, next, clothing. I tried on several dresses, okay, several items. They ranged in size from 40 to 42, okay? And I decided on, I couldn't just decide on one thing, so I ended up buying two. And I did not intend to do that, but it is what it is. So let's just get into it. What do y'all think I got? Let's see what I want to start with first. Yes. So this stunner right here is what called me to the boutique. This is what I saw online that I don't know, something about it I just loved. And I just thought it was cute. I thought, so when I'm thinking about stuff like this, if I am like gonna splurge, what's the cost per wear on this item? Return on investment. How many times am I gonna be able to wear this? Can I pull this out next year and also wear it? Can I wear it 2 or 3 years from now? Is it something that will still, I mean, you can pull it out and wear it, okay? Because there are things, and this could be considered trendy a little bit, but I think it's something that I could still get a lot of wear out of. So it is this gorgeous babe right here. This is the one I picked out. Let's see if the price is here for this. So this is the knit polo dress. I want to say it's something Thrones or something. I'm sorry. I don't know if I have it here where I can tell you what it is or not. But this just came out recently. What I loved about this is the red in it. I love the crispness of the white and the black. It's just so colorful. The material, if you've ever worn or tried on like a Herve Ledger dress, this is that material. Thick, stretchy, nice quality. Okay. I picked this up in a medium. I tried on a small and it fit everywhere except for up here in the bosom. I could not close these buttons if I wanted to. So I'm like, So I had to go up a size, and I really like it open anyway, but I just felt that if I'm spending this much money on something, if I'm out and if I do need to button it up for, I mean, maybe like being conservative, I could do that. So this is dress number 1. What do you guys think of this? Did you guys like this in the shopping vlog? So that's number 1. Number 2, what do y'all think it is? Ooh. Some of you told me that you really like this one, and I did too. When I tried it on, I fell in love with it. And all I could think of was LBD, little black dress. So if you know what I'm talking about, this was the black dress. This feels like a nice ponte thick material. It's really stretchy. It is monogram, but it's not a lot of monogram. So it's tasteful, I would say. A classic dress. Has a little subtle bit of monogramming on it. You see it has it on the pockets, and these are, let's see if they work. These pockets actually work. Let me show you. So they actually work if you did want to stick something in them. And on the back, I love this little detailing. Can you see that, guys? So when I tried this on, I was getting all kind of vibes. I was like, oh, this is so cute. This is so cute and versatile. I was thinking that I could put this on for dinner. I could put this on for a party. I could put this on for a wedding or an event. I was out in the summer and I also wanted to like dress it down. I could also wear my sneaks with these. So I just got all kinds of looks when I tried this on, things that I could really do with this dress. So I had to have it. I did not plan on buying two, but when I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh. So this dress is in a size 40, okay? And it had nice stretch, feels really good on, it's nice and thick. So I was really happy about these. This is something that I can see myself wearing for years. So guys, what did I find out in my shopping, trying on for the first time? I found that I think that their sizing is small, especially up top, okay? If you've ever surfed their website and if you've looked, all of like their like models are kind of just, you know, up and down, really not curvy, you know, it's like not a lot going on up top or down bottom. So they run small. I did try on pants, and in pants that was a giving material, kind of like stretchy, I could wear a 40. There was some cute pants that I did try on, but for the cost, it just wouldn't be worth it. I mean, that's for me, like in my opinion. I think that the quality is really nice, thick material, everything I tried on, it was nice. All right, ladies, so that concludes my video. Thanks so much for staying and watching. And if you are new here, and if you did make it this far, subscribe please. If you like me, if you like this kind of content, if you love to watch luxury fashion hauls, unboxings, reviews, that's what I'm about. So hey, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I post a video. All right, ladies, thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video.